Hi guys, can you all hear me? Am I audible? Hello everyone. Am I audible guys? Can you all hear me? Hey guys. Hi Ritik. Okay, so we're gonna be doing the basics of dribbling basically. It's not gonna be hard, but yeah, if anybody doesn't know how to play basketball, you can definitely still do it because it's gonna be very simple. Hello guys, hi Sumit, hi Cheryl, hi Davas. Hello Sumit. So this is the Train with Tamax session 2. You can use the video. For music you can use the video. Okay, so let's start then. Can everybody hear me? Am I audible, guys? Because I'm trying out this new mic and I do not know that if it's working or not. So can you all just give me a thumbs up if it's working properly? Mano Pandey, Lakers for sure. Okay, just give me a thumbs up if you guys can hear me properly. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Jin. Jin.boy. Thank you. Okay, let's start now. And I'm gonna start with a little bit of warm up and then do a little bit of like advanced dribble. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's start with some normal warm up. I always get everybody started with some ball hits, so we're gonna start with that. Okay, and first of all, thank you Decathlon for this beautiful number 6 basketball. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with hitting the ball as hard as you can. Okay, get those palms warmed up. Let's go. Okay, let's go. You're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Hit as hard as you can. Get those palms warmed up. Let's go. Okay, get the feel of the basketball. Get the feel of the threads. Get the feel of the texture of the basketball. Let's go. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna do a little bit of throws. So you're gonna just throw the ball and catch. Throw the ball, catch. Try to keep your arms extended. Don't bend them. Keep them extended. Okay. So throw back, and throw back. Move with the ball. Move with the flow of the ball. So move. Try not to bend your arms. Keep them extended. Let's go. This is just a warm up. Let's go. Come on. 5 more times. Let's go. 5 more times. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. I hope you guys are doing it with me. Now you're going to start with a little bit of rotations around the waist. Let's go. Rotate. Rotate as fast as you can. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Okay, now the other way. I hope everybody's doing this with me. Okay, come on. Let's go. Okay, now you're going to do a mix of all. So you're going to rotate around your neck, your waist and your knees. So you're going to do this and then back. Same thing back. Go down and go up. Go down and go up. Let's go. Be a little smooth. Try not to be harsh. Okay? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay, I hope you guys are doing this with me. You can have a sip of water. Okay? Come on, Cheryl. Varnita. Okay. Is everybody with me? Is everybody with me? Okay, Cheryl can't hear you. You can't hear me? Can you still hear me? Can you hear me now? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, now you're gonna do same thing, but you're gonna just dribble with one hand. So it's gonna be throw it and catch it with one hand. Throw it, catch it with one hand. Throw it, catch it with one hand. And the other side, and the other side. Right and left side, right and left side. Come on, come on. I think only Cheryl can't hear me. Okay. Just try to watch and learn, Cheryl. Try to watch and learn. Okay, let's go. The other side. The other side. Catch with one hand and throw with one hand. Catch with one hand and throw with one hand. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay. Is everybody with me? Are you able to do this? It's not a very hard session, guys. It's going to be extremely simple. Just try to keep up with me. Okay? Let's go. Now you're going to do a little bit of normal dribble, but it's going to be ankle height. Okay? Okay? So you're going to... Okay. Perfect, perfect. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now it's going to be ankle height dribble. Okay? As fast as you can. But on the opposite, on the outer edge of your foot. So if you're dribbling with your right hand, then it's going to be outside of your right foot. So it's not going to be inside, it's going to be outside, okay? And it's going to be as fast as you can. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And you're going to do it only with your fingertips. Only with your fingertips. You're not going to use the whole palm, you're going to only use your fingertips. Okay? Yes. Come on, come on. I'm glad you are doing this with me, guys. Come on. It's going to be only for 20 more minutes. And it's going to be fast, okay? I'm not going to stop now. You're going to do it with your left hand now. As fast as you can. As fast as you can. And keep your opposite hand up to protect it. So why you're going to do this is, if there's a defender coming to you, you're going to try to protect the ball, okay? So you're going to try to push your defender. You're going to try to push your defender away from you, okay? So you're going to protect the ball with your opposite hand, okay? Everybody got to know why when we dribble, why we hold the other hand up? Is basically to protect the basketball. To protect the basketball from going away from you. Okay? Okay. Now, once you guys are done with both the sides, once you're done with your left hand as well, now you're going to do bend down and you're gonna do pound. So basically you're gonna pound the ball as hard as you can, but not, it shouldn't go above your shoulder. So pound, pound, pound as hard as you can. Hit it as hard as you can. Hit it as hard as you can. Okay? Anybody who doesn't have a basketball or live in a high-rise apartments or any of that sort, if the society is not allowing you to dribble or something like that, you can always do shadow practice. You don't need a basketball to do this. So in the beginning when I used to do this, I'm just gonna, imagine the basketball in my hand, and I'm just gonna imagine that I'm dribbling and it's coming back up to me, okay? So you're just gonna do the same thing with your left hand, okay? So pound, 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 pound. Hit it as hard as you can. Hit it as hard as you can. Try to break the floor. Try to break the floor under you, and you're gonna try to break the ball, okay? So tear the ball apart. Okay, whoever does that, I'm gonna give them a free basketball. Okay? Whoever breaks your basketball, I'm gonna give them a free basketball, okay? So pound, 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 pound. Hit it as hard as you can. Okay? Okay. Great job, guys. Great job. You are doing great. Okay. Okay, now let's have a quick water break. You guys have 20 seconds and back. Okay. Good job, guys. I'm back within 20 seconds. Now we're gonna do some between the legs. Okay, right leg forward, and you're just gonna dribble between your legs. Okay, between your legs. Come on, let's go. And as quick as possible. Okay, let's go as quick as possible. So when you're doing this, try to bend down and try to be as close to the floor as possible. So now I'm gonna do this. So you're gonna do this and try to be as close to the floor as possible, okay? Is everybody getting me? Can everybody hear me properly? Okay? Okay, beautiful. This is extremely simple, but I want everybody to do this, because if not, y'all don't know how to play basketball, this is it, yeah? Y'all can just learn from this. Okay? Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now the other side, left leg forward, and same thing. Same thing. Let's go. Let's go. And try to look forward, try to look forward. Okay. Whoever is doing this, you're gonna tell me how many fingers I'm holding up, okay, while doing this. So you're doing between the legs, and you're gonna tell me how many fingers I'm holding up. So tell me how many fingers I'm holding up. You all don't have to write it down or anything like that, but just think about it and just like shout it out loud wherever you are. Okay? So let's go. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. I don't know what this is, but yeah, it's a 6 or a thumbs up. I don't know. Okay. So let's go. Let's go. I know you all are doing this. I know you all are doing this. Come on. We're all trying to get better at the sport. Yeah? Okay. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, so this was the first version of it. If y'all can't dribble, this is what you're supposed to do, okay? So this is what you all should do. Okay, if y'all can't dribble, if y'all are not able to do it, it's okay. There's nothing to worry, it's just the first day. So just rotate the basketball with the front leg, okay? So if your right leg is forward, rotate the ball, okay? Okay? Yeah. So now, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to keep your legs together. Rotate around your knees. Put one leg back. Rotate around one knee. So rotate, 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 rotate. Okay, can everybody see me? Okay? Beautiful, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, now the next step is you're gonna put your feet a little bit apart, a little bit further away from your shoulder length. And you're gonna take one dribble between the legs. Take one dribble between the legs. One dribble between. One dribble between. One dribble between. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. If it goes away, run, get the ball, and come back. Okay? It's okay if you all make mistakes. Everybody is allowed to make mistakes. Okay, good job, good job, good job. Okay. Perfect. Good job, you all are doing it well, you all are doing it well. Okay, now the next one is without dribble. Okay, you are not going to take the extra dribble, you are just going to do it between the legs. Okay, between the legs, between the legs. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good job, good job, good job. Beautiful, guys. Y'all can send me a video of y'all are doing. If y'all are doing this, send me a video. I will try to correct you or whatever. Just send it to me on my personal account. I will check through it and please just go for it. Like send me any videos y'all want to send it to me. Okay. Okay. Good job. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is just do one relaxed one. Okay. You're just gonna do one crossover. Just crossover. But you're not going to move your body with the ball, okay? So you're not going to do a static dribble. Wherever the ball goes, you're going to move your body, okay? You all don't have to bend down, you all don't have to bend your knees. It's okay. It's just for relaxed dribble, okay? So bend, dribble, and move your body with the ball. Move your body with the ball. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. And try to look forward. Let's go. Good job. Okay. Now, there's another variety to this. So basically, we do this so that we are closer to the floor. So we don't play basketball like this. We play basketball like this, right? So same thing. You're not going to do crossovers, but you're going to touch the floor every time you leave the ball. So basically this goes like this, especially if you are doing shadow practice. So leave the ball, touch. Leave the ball, touch. Leave the ball, touch. Okay? So you're going to touch the floor every time you want dribble. Okay? Let's go. Touch, 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 touch. Okay? Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Let's go. Good job, good job, good job. Great for the thumbs up, guys. Please send me thumbs up so I know y'all are doing it. Okay. So the first crossover we did was a little not like use your wingspan. So you're gonna go wide as possible, okay? So dribble as wide as possible. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Let's go. Good job. Good job. Yes. Beautiful, guys. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, now quick water break and back. Okay. So now first one was crossover, second one was between the legs, and third one is going to be behind the back, okay? So this one's a little tricky because it's going to be behind your back and we do not know where the ball is going. You're going to look behind, you all don't have eyes behind your head. So it's okay. So to begin with, if nobody knows how to do this, if you all don't know how to do this, let's start with this. So what you're going to do is keep your feet together, keep your feet a little bit apart from each other, and you're just gonna dribble, catch it. So dribble, catch it. Y'all can look at the ball. So throw it, catch it. Throw it, catch it. Throw it, catch it. Okay? Yeah. and slowly you don't even have to look at the ball. So basically, you'll know where the ball is going to go. Okay, so after the first 10 you'll know so it's basically muscle memory. Your muscle understands where the ball is going to go, so your brain works with that. Okay, so first, after the first 10, you don't even have to look at the ball. You don't have to look at the ball. Don't even look at the ball. If it goes away, run, catch it, and come back. Same thing again. Let's keep doing this. Okay? Okay, beautiful, beautiful. This is how you start the behind the back, because it's a little tricky. It's harder than between the legs, because as I said, you all can see the ball when you're doing between the legs and all that. Okay? Okay, Ritik, you want more water breaks? Too bad, but I have only like 10 more minutes to go, so I can't take more water breaks. But you can, if you want water breaks, you can take it. It's okay. It's not a problem at all. Okay, just don't get dehydrated. So have a lot of water. Okay. Okay. Now, so the next step is you're gonna take one dribble and then between the legs. One dribble between the legs. One dribble between the legs. Okay. It's not as easy as it looks, but it's okay. In the beginning, it's okay if the ball goes away. You can get it and come back with it. Okay. Beautiful, guys. You are doing extremely good. Till now, I hope everybody's understood what they're doing. Please give a thumbs up if you are enjoying, or if it's too hard, then just let me know. It's okay. You can DM me anytime you all want to. I will reply to it whenever I get time. But okay. So now the next one is the proper one. Okay. So basically, a lot of players make mistakes in this. This is what we do. So we do this. We bend too much, and we don't know what's going on in front of us. So whenever you're doing any sort of dribbling, you should always imagine that there's a defender coming to you, someone's running towards you, and you're going to have to dodge them. Okay? Okay, perfect. So this is what we're going to do. So we're going to go as wide as possible and try to look in front. Okay? And it's okay if the ball goes away and you're going to have to run to it and get the ball and keep doing the same thing. After the first couple of days, you're going to be able to do this without even looking at the ball. Okay? Good job. Good job. Beautiful. Good job, guys. Great going. You are doing extremely good. The blue exhauster, I did do one crossover. But you can DM me if you have any questions. So please do that. Okay. So you're going to do a V dribble, a front V dribble. So this is how it goes. So an alphabet V looks like this, right? Okay. So the ball is going to go like this. So basically that's why it's called a V dribble. So keep your feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to just do one leg to the other. So it's going to be a V dribble. Okay. And try to increase your pace, and then switch hands. Okay? Let's go. So, yeah, as Gopal said, whenever you do this, whenever you do any drill in basketball, always imagine a defender in front of you, imagine your teammates around you, imagine all the 9 players around you. That's how you get to that game situation. So always imagine that there's a game situation and there's 13 seconds on the shot clock and you have to do this, and someone's coming right to you and you're gonna have to beat him. So what are you gonna do next? This is how you do it basically. Okay? Yeah. Good job. Okay, I have just 5 more minutes left and I have a lot more to go, but that's okay. Okay, I hope y'all can do the V dribble, and now you're gonna do the side V dribble basically. So same thing is gonna be a V, but you're gonna do it on the side of your foot. So it's gonna be a V only, but exhausted, please text me. I can't, I will forget your name, so please message me and I will reply to you, definitely. Okay, yeah. So now, this was a little static. Now we're going to go to, like, we have 3 more exercises to go. So now we're going to do is, so we're going to dribble. Okay, we're going to be low. So people, please do this as a shadow practice. You all don't need a basketball, okay? So dribble. You're back. Okay, go as fast as you can. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Yes, good job. Just do like 10 dribbles of each. And if you all have any questions, please text me. It's okay. Okay. Yeah. If you're allowed to dribble, if you're allowed to be loud, it's okay. Please do it with the basketball. Okay? So once more, do it like 2-3 times more. Dribble, back, dribble, back. So dribble, back, back. Is my video paused, guys? Can you all put it in the comment section if it's paused? Why is it pausing? I mean, I don't know. Okay, okay. Can you see me now? Yes, Limay Suvarna, yes. Basically, basketball should become like your body part and you could handle it with that ease anytime, anywhere. Exactly. Even in your sleep, you should be able to do this. Okay, I think it's your internet. But I don't know. Let's go. Last 2 exercises. And we are going to do... we're going to walk now. We're going to do one crossover between the legs. One crossover between the legs. Crossover between the legs. Crossover between the legs. And then walk back. Okay? And switch. So, crossover between the legs. Walk, 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 walk. Okay? And back. You're going to do this 5 to 6 times each side. But try to be low and try to be as quick as you can and try to be as low as possible, okay? So 1 between the legs, 1 between the legs. Try to do it as fast as you can and walk, okay? Beautiful, guys. Okay. Are you all able to do this? And do you all want some dance after this? Please suggest any songs. I am ready to dance on it. Regardless of how bad of a dancer I am, and if I don't know the music, I'll still dance on it. Please suggest any song, Hindi, English, it's okay. Good job, good job. Okay. Now, okay, you all can have a little bit of water and be back in 10 seconds. Okay, so now is the last exercise, and what you did before is going to be the same thing, but it's going to be twice. So what you did was took 1 crossover in between the legs, right? So now what you're going to do is 2 quick crossovers between the legs. 2 Okay, this will help you become quicker with your hands and with your feet. Okay, so imagine that there's a defender running to you, and you know that it's going to be hard to beat them. So be as low as possible. Okay. So what we usually do if the defender is playing low or playing fast, we have to slow things down. So we have to be the opposite of what your defender is. Okay. So basically, if my defender is extremely fast, she's very quick with her feet, I'm gonna slow things down. That's how you're gonna be able to want to do some abs, it's perfectly okay. Okay, do you all want to do some jingar or something like that? Perfect. Chalo, let's do some jingar. Okay. Play. Oh. Okay. Can you all hear the song? Okay, so we're gonna do some jingat. Please dance with me, guys, because I'm a terrible dancer. I know only the chorus of all songs. I don't know the whole song, but I know only the chorus of the song. Mohit, this is not how you do bhangra. Okay. Guys, so that was it, and thank you for coming. Divinya, please text me, like DM me. I will tell you everything you want to know. Moin, hello, how are you? You are very late for this session, but it's okay. It's nice to see you online. बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरा जिंगाट, guys. Okay, so guys, that was it. I went a little overboard, like 5 minutes overboard, but that's okay. So basically this is the second t-shirt that I got from Decathlon, and it's extremely good. It's extremely like loose and stuff, so basically basketball players wear baggy stuff. So yeah. Cheryl, thank you for coming. Thank you guys for coming. Perfect guys. Chalo. See you. So basically my next session is going to be on the 26th, which is the next Saturday, and it's going to be a lot of dribbling, fitness, and a lot of like shooting basically. So you can't be at home and shoot, but I'm going to show you a little bit of like a few exercises which will improve your shooting at home without a hoop. You just need a wall or something, or like a chair basically. You don't need anything else. Yeah, so this was Train the Tarmac session 2, which was ball handling, and Pranay, thank you. So see you on 26th September, which is the next Saturday, and please text me text me about anything you want, and I will reply to you all as soon as I see it. Thank you guys, and have a great evening. Sayonara. Thanks for the session. We would like to have you at our campus once, please. Hoopsters Hub Basketball. I will come, yeah. Once this pandemic is over, I will definitely come see you all. Gopal, thank you. Okay. So, yes, Cheryl, 26th September, which is the next Saturday, I think so. Yeah. Beautiful, guys. See you. DM me at Shirin _Limaye.